Hello and Assalamu alaikum. This is Sir Shayan with you and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to study opportunity cost, and before I move on I would like to tell you that this video is going to be in English language. If you want to watch the same video in Urdu language, you can click on the link here or there somewhere. This link will lead you to that Urdu language video. Without further delay, let's move on. Welcome back. I bought this cell phone in $400, and if you think the price which I paid to buy this cell phone, which is $400, is actually the opportunity cost of this cell phone, then your answer is absolutely wrong. I'm sorry, this is not the correct answer. The amount which I paid to buy this cell phone is accounting cost, and if you want to learn what is called opportunity cost, then you have to stay with me for rest of the time, because in this lesson we are going to cover basic definition of opportunity cost, the most reliable definitions of opportunity cost. We are also going to apply the concept on some real life examples and a critical thinking activity as well. After this video, you will be able to link opportunity cost concept everywhere. Let's move on without further delay. Now what you see on your screen are the definitions of opportunity cost. First definition, next best option. Second definition, it is the value of a product foregone to produce or obtain another product. Definition number 3, opportunity cost is the benefits an individual, investor, or a business misses out when choosing one alternative over another. Definition number 4, what a person sacrifices in choosing a best option. Keep it in your mind. Opportunity cost is not the accounting cost. Both of these costs are different. Now, I will explain you this example with a real life example. I bought this cell phone in $400. I went to a shop. When I was buying this cell phone, there was a laptop next to it, for example, and the price of that laptop was also $400. The time which I had was the same. The resources which I had, money, was $400. Now, when I bought this cell phone, what I sacrificed was the laptop. Are you getting my point? Now listen, when I bought this cell phone, what I did not buy or sacrifice was the laptop. The laptop has become the opportunity cost of this cell phone. Getting it? The amount which I paid, like $400, is the accounting cost. It is not the opportunity cost. Opportunity cost is what I could get in same amount, for example, but I didn't get it. That is called opportunity cost. Opportunity cost. Now, let's move on. I will now be discussing with you in further more details. What is the formula of calculating opportunity cost? What you sacrificed over what you gained. For example, I sacrificed a laptop over what I gained. I gained a cell phone. So benefit lost from not buying a laptop over benefit gained from buying a cell phone. So whichever is more, that is my opportunity cost. Okay, now the formula which you see on your screen is the formula of calculating an opportunity cost. In simple words, benefit lost on foregone option minus the benefits gained from a chosen option. Let's move on the next slide. Opportunity cost. Now keep it in your mind. At the beginning of this lesson, I explained you that opportunity cost is totally different from accounting cost. How? If you go to a university, the accounting cost would be the tuition fee and other costs related to studying at university. The amount which you are paying to university is actually your accounting cost, but opportunity cost would be the foregone income that could have been earned if the person would have chosen to work instead of studying. Listen. In opportunity cost, there is no discussion that, oh, so that means you are saying that we shouldn't be studying. No, that is not a discussion. I'm just explaining you the definition of opportunity cost. You should understand. You have spent 3 years in a university and you have paid a lot of amount to study in a university. But instead of this, what you could have done, instead of paying, for example, $40,000, so $100,000 over 3 years, you could have earned $200,000 to $300,000 in 3 years if you did a job. So that sacrifice that you did not do, not doing a job, not earning that much money, has become an opportunity cost of your university. Let's move on and discuss further more examples. Now here, short time activity. Now in this activity, what you are supposed to do is watching your favorite TV show for 2 hours at Netflix after school on Monday. What could be the opportunity cost? And you have 30 seconds to think and write down the answer, and your time starts right now. And time up. Let's move on and see what the answer is. You could complete your homework or read a book. So opportunity cost of watching television for 2 hours is the knowledge you could have gained from reading a book. The work, your homework, what you could have completed in these 2 hours. That is the opportunity cost. Let's move on and do the second exercise. You had $100 and you decided to buy a pair of shoes. What is the opportunity cost? And your time starts right now. And time up. Let's see what the answer is. You could buy a suit or a sport kit or a book set. So, $100, you had $100 and you bought a shoe. What you could have bought instead of that shoe in $100, keep it in your mind, in $100, not in $110, not in $90, not in $200. You have $100. What you can do in those $100, you can buy a suit, you may be able to buy a jeans or a pair of book and something. So benefit lost from not being obtaining the best option is your opportunity cost. Okay. Till now, I have discussed some examples of some personal examples at micro level, like your shoe and your laptop, your cell phone, and so on. Now, what I want you to do, apply the concept at macro level. Okay, and after this we will do some calculations and we will do a critical thinking activity. Let's move on and look at the activity. Now, opportunity cost. It's a macro application of concept and it's a dam which you see at the moment. Activity. Suppose Pakistan is investing $100 billion to construct a dam. Question is what could be the opportunity cost of this construction? Pakistan could have paid a portion of its loan. Getting my point? It's a funny picture which you see, it's a funny video, but the thing is it's like a portion that Pakistan could have paid instead of constructing the dam. That's it. Now I would like to take you on a critical thinking activity. Okay, and this activity is like a learning based activity, and in this activity you'll be able to learn how to calculate your opportunity cost. Okay, let's move on. Mr. Mark is working in a university as a teacher and he earns $20,000 per year. He decides to quit from his job and open his own school. In the first year, he earns only 25% of what he used to earn. Means how much did he earn? He earned in first year only $5,000. Okay. And he used to earn $20,000. So what is the opportunity cost? Think, and for this, you have only 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Time's up. 15,000 has become an opportunity cost. That means he could have earned these 15,000, but he did not earn and he chose to start his business. So 75% is actually the opportunity cost, approximately, that he lost the benefit. Case 2, Mr. Mark didn't earn much for next 4 years. The total he earned was 20,000. Now think, the total he earned in 4 years was 20,000. If he continued working in his university, he could have earned 80,000. But what did he earn now? He earned only 20,000, only 25%. What is the opportunity cost of 4 years? 1, 2, 3. Time up. 60,000. 75% is the opportunity cost. But in third year, everything is changed. What happened? Case 3. In fifth year, his business gets amazing response on social media due to some viral videos of extra care of students, and he gets astonishing support from local government. He starts to earn 5 times more than his old income. Now the business is on sky. In fifth year, he earned 100,000, and what he used to earn in 1 year, he used to earn 20,000. What is the opportunity cost if he continued working on his job? Now, the opportunity cost is now 80,000, a positive opportunity cost, 80%. So, if he continued to work on his job, he would have earned 20,000 in fifth year, but he quit his job and started his business, and in fifth year, finally he made profit and he earned 100,000. So opportunity cost is basically now 80%. Okay, now rest of the years you can also calculate that how much he could have earned in 5 years total. I think 100,000 in 5 years, but if you compare with the business, so it's 100,000 plus 4 years, like 20,000, 120,000 or something. This much he earned actually. So opportunity cost is too much. So better, this was actually a good decision for him to quit his job and start a business, but the positive results he got in long term. In short term, his opportunity cost was in negative, but in long term, finally it has moved to positive. Getting my point? And now I will be giving you a lesson wrap up and opportunity cost. I think now it's very clear that opportunity cost is a loss of other alternatives when one alternative is chosen. In this lecture, I discussed 5 authentic definitions of opportunity cost with you. We applied the concept on real life situations, personal situations. We applied the concept on macro. We applied on a country, and finally we did some calculations like if I go for plan A, then what is the opportunity cost of plan B? If I invest in this project, then what is the opportunity cost of investing in this project? Because I have a chance to invest here. I think you have understood. If you didn't understand, if you have some problem, you can leave your comments down below. You can send me an email. And secondly, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. And if you have already subscribed to my channel, refer my channel to others, because in this channel we are not only going to study business studies, we are going to cover everything. We are going to cover business studies from grade 9 till masters, economics, lectures, leadership training, marketing trainings, sales trainings, communication skills, and so on, and even life coaching. Whatever I have, it's not mine, it's for you all. Take it. Thank you so much, and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.